How to use Expedia for flights. Expedia is an online travel agency that allows travelers to book flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, and vacation packages. To use Expedia for flights, follow these steps. Visit the Expedia website or app. Select the Flights tab. Enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, number of travelers, and class for searching flights. Choose a flight and review the details. Provide passenger information and payment details. Confirm your booking and receive a confirmation email with your itinerary. Then it will be done to booking a flight on Expedia. Expedia is part of Expedia Group, an American travel technology company that also owns and operates other travel brands. Thanks for watching.